Welcome back. Today I'll be moving out my townhouse that I've been renting for the last year and looking for something that I can move into and call my own. I've been learning so much about real estate, business, finance, and everything I've learned told me that the last thing I should be doing in my 20s is renting a $2,000 townhome that I am the only one that lives in. Bunch of stuff back there. We're looking at boxes, green screen. I'm gonna tuck it all the way in my storage container. Now this has to be one of the hardest things I ever had to do. This is not exactly the start to my adult life that I thought that I would necessarily be having. According to Forbes, 32% of millennials and Gen Zers moved back home with their parents during the pandemic so they can save money and buy their own house. I've been in the market looking for a place to call my own. I'm tired of renting. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. We're at the first one right now. Let's take a look inside. I started officially touring houses after I got pre-qualified for about $350,000. $350,000 sounds like a lot until you actually look at the market at some decent looking houses. This townhouse was going for about $360,000. At best, I'd give this $200,000.
Under the stairs, storage, which is good.
Oh, it's carpeted too. Okay, a little bit of storage action.
All right, so if you want to store some of your film equipment.
I do like this.
Yeah.
Let me see.
That's your garage, good.
How are we working with the garage? Okay. And it's painted. That's great. Now, how are they gonna fit 3 bedrooms up here? Let's see. Okay, washer and dryer.
2 linen closets in there.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
Okay. I like the door colors too. Closet action going on. More closet space. Tub, shower. They said it's her sister's second house. They're trying to get rid of it. There was a tenant living here. It's just a couple of things I like about it. Like it has this nice balcony back here. You know, you can come out here, do a little bit of grilling. You have privacy from that side. No privacy from this side. I'm just not feeling it, man. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling the neighborhood, not feeling the area. We're gonna skip this one and go to the next one. Property number 3 was listed at $290,000. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the master bedroom is located on the first floor. As I was walking around the property, I just felt like it just didn't connect with me. I know everybody has to start somewhere, but I just don't think that this was the start for me. Here is the garage. Now this is a sizable garage. It's not as big as the one I had before. Nice view outside. So here is the master bedroom. But then there's the bathroom. And I think this is a beautiful looking bathroom. This one is actually really nice. I'm glad I found it. I feel like there's still other houses on the market that we haven't seen yet that could be way better.
So it'll be this one. So this is that like little ledge balcony that I was telling you about.
Yeah, okay, I see it. I see
So
it.
it still brings a lot of natural light.
Now for this last property, this one has to be my favorite. It is a lot more expensive. This one is over $500,000. But with a property this size, I can do a lot with it. The first floor I can use as an Airbnb, and those can bring in anywhere between $1,000 to $2,000 a month. I can also use the garage to do peer space, where I have my photo studio, and then I can rent 2 other rooms for $1,000 each and make anywhere between $3,000 to $4,000 a month, while the mortgage is only $4,000. So there might be months where I make profit living in this space.
You should have a little covered area, yeah. So you'll have a little covered area right here as well for the car. So 2 cars in the driveway, 2 cars in the garage, and you have a bump out there. So if you have a motorcycle,
space, yeah.
extra storage, all that good stuff. You have your kitchen. It looks totally different with that furniture in it, right?
Yeah, it does. Tons of space out here. This is a whole, cookout kind of. Nice. Did you say the dishwasher doesn't come with it?
The dishwasher does. Okay. So the microwave, oven, dishwasher does. The refrigerator, washer, and dryer does not. Okay. You will have these, it could be smart thermostats on every floor. I didn't point that out last time, but they will be on every level, one of each level, so you can control the temperature, which is nice.
Nice. Half that. Yep. Looks good.
And you also have the 3 wires in both of them as well. So if you want to mount the TV and stuff, you don't have the cords all, you know.
Work it.
Right, exactly. You have your
Oh yeah, washer. Laundry.
This one actually has cabinets in it, which is nice because some of them have just the wire racks.
Okay.
So that's nice. You have your linen closet there.
Same as the last one. Yep.
Have your secondary bath, your 2 secondary rooms.
Yep. Are the walls were painted in the model, weren't they?
Mm-hmm. So this is what it would be. It's called City Loft.
Okay.
So it'll just be this. And this is gonna be your master. This is the standard light that would be in there in the model. Obviously, I had the fans and chandeliers and all that.
Yeah.
So this is the standard light that's going to be in all of the homes, no matter what floor plan. But they're already switched for a ceiling fan, and they're already pre-wired for the ceiling fan up here. So all you have to do is take it down and put it up there, so you don't have to call an electrician or none of that stuff. It's already done.
Nice. This one has a tub.
This one has a tub instead of the long shower.
So getting into a property like this after crunching the numbers would take about $25,000 to $30,000. And in my life right now, that's actually pretty achievable. The mortgage payment with the taxes, insurance, and HOA, all that would come up to about $4,000 a month. And being able to find good roommates, possibly a couple grad students, would make this a great investment for me. Which one did you guys like the most? Property 1, 2, 3, or 4? Are you currently house hacking? Are you on the market looking for your first home? If you've already bought your first home, what are your thoughts on the market right now? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.